What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Today, I'm talking about something that'll probably give you a workout.
Show the presses. 5, 2, 3, and your weights.
It'll definitely work on your quads and your hamstring, your legs in general. You'll see. Let's go. Alright guys, how do you like that new intro? I kind of dig it. I like it. It's good stuff. Alright, this one is just a quick hitter. Composition of a photo. Yeah, you can definitely get Instagram bangers like this one. However, if you were to just change it up just a little bit, what would you do? Would you shift the camera to the left, to the right? Maybe elevate it a little bit? I find that if I get low, like low, almost like ground level, it changes the perspective of everything, and in return you get a much more powerful and intriguing photo. So these two photos, this first one I took in August or September, this second one, which totally blew up my Facebook page and Instagram, but all I did was I dropped my camera literally to where I think I only had it on my my GorillaPod. I didn't even put it on my actual tripod. I put it on my GorillaPod, so it was like super low. On the dock, which has the leading lines pointing towards that little island that's in the middle of that lake. So something to think about. If your composition is just not clicking for you, maybe try dropping your camera down to ground level. I know that definitely helps in woodland photography, just in landscape photography in general. Drop it down, get low. Get low. So that's all I'm saying. Alright guys, I'm gonna leave it at that. That's a quick little video today. I'm hoping I kept it under 2 minutes. Please. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Also, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that share button, hit that bell notification. Bing! It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Also, follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. So, yeah. Get low, practice, and enjoy. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.